What if a handful of seeds held the secret to stronger skin, better joints, and sharper thinking? It's easy to think of aging as something that just happens, a slow, inevitable slide marked by wrinkles, stiffness, fatigue. But science tells a different story. By the time we hit our 30s, our bodies begin to lose collagen at a rate of about 1% each year. And it's not just time ticking forward. This decline accelerates with poor sleep, chronic stress, blood sugar instability, and inflammation from processed foods. Collagen isn't about vanity. It's the most abundant structural protein in the body, responsible for the firmness of your skin, the strength of your joints, the elasticity of your blood vessels, and even the integrity of your gut and brain barriers. When collagen breaks down faster than it's built, we feel it. Aching knees, fragile skin, slower recovery, and even foggy thinking. While most people reach for creams or powders, real repair doesn't begin on the surface. It starts deep in your biology, specifically with the raw materials your cells need to synthesize collagen naturally. And some of the most potent sources of these materials are hiding in plain sight, in nuts and seeds. These aren't trendy superfoods. They're ancient biological tools, tiny nutrient-dense capsules of amino acids, minerals, and polyphenol that feed your fibroblasts, fight inflammation, and send molecular signals that tell your body, repair, rebuild, renew. In this guide, we'll explore 5 of the most science-backed collagen-supporting nuts and seeds: walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Each one plays a unique role in protecting your skin, supporting your joints, and rewiring how your body ages from the inside out. The biology of collagen loss and renewal. Collagen loss isn't just about looking older. It's a biological marker of how well, or how poorly, your body is handling the wear and tear of life. As we age, our collagen-producing cells, called fibroblasts, slow down. Stress hormones like cortisol rise. MMPs, matrix metalloproteinases, enzymes that break down collagen, become more active, especially when triggered by UV exposure, poor sleep, or a processed diet. Add to that the natural decline in estrogen and growth hormone, and the result is accelerated tissue aging. But here's the good news. Your body can still make collagen. It just needs the right inputs. That means amino acids like glycine and proline, trace minerals like zinc and copper, vitamin C to help stabilize new collagen fibers, and to calm, anti-inflammatory internal environment. And that's where food becomes more than fuel. It becomes information, molecular instruction for your cells to turn on the genes that heal. And it all starts with what's on your plate. Number 1, pumpkin seeds. If you could take just one step every morning to support collagen production, regulate stress, and even sharpen your focus, would you do it? Enter pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. These small, flat green seeds are among the most underrated tools in your anti-aging arsenal. While they may not carry the allure of exotic superfoods, pumpkin seeds are quietly packed with 2 of the most critical nutrients for collagen maintenance: zinc and magnesium. Zinc is more than just an immune booster. When it comes to skin health and tissue regeneration, it's a biochemical multitasker. Zinc acts as a cofactor in collagen synthesis, meaning it's required for the enzymes that build and remodel collagen fibers to function properly. Without zinc, collagen can't form correctly, leaving your skin weaker and slower to repair. A 2020 study published in Biomolecules found that zinc deficiency directly impairs fibroblast activity, the specialized cells responsible for producing collagen. Participants with low zinc levels showed delayed wound healing, reduced skin elasticity, and even signs of accelerated dermal aging. And it's not just your skin. Zinc also supports the remodeling process, the body's natural ability to clear out damaged collagen and replace it with new, structurally sound fibers. This remodeling is vital for joint integrity, tendon flexibility, and recovery after injury. Magnesium. Then comes magnesium, another unsung hero in the story of collagen resilience. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those that regulate inflammation, manage DNA repair, and buffer cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. Why is that important? Because chronic stress, especially unrelenting psychological stress, inhibits collagen production. Elevated cortisol suppresses TGF-beta, transforming growth factor beta, a key growth factor that tells fibroblasts to make more collagen. Without TGF-beta activity, the skin loses its ability to regenerate. Magnesium helps reverse that. By calming the HPA axis, your body's stress response system, magnesium reduces cortisol levels, reactivates growth factors, and restores collagen pathways that might otherwise remain dormant. Even better, magnesium and zinc together create a neurochemical synergy. You'll often find people reporting clearer thinking, improved emotional regulation, and even better sleep when they consistently hit their intake of these two minerals. Here's how to integrate pumpkin seeds into your daily collagen routine. Dosage: 2 tablespoons of raw, shelled pumpkin seeds per day. Timing: ideally in the morning, when cortisol levels are naturally higher and the body is primed for nutrient absorption. Pairing: combine with a food rich in vitamin B6, like a banana or a handful of spinach. B6 enhances magnesium absorption and supports neurotransmitter balance. How to eat: sprinkle on overnight oats, blend into a smoothie, or add to a Greek yogurt bowl. You can also grind them fresh and mix in a chia pudding. As powerful as pumpkin seeds are, rotating your zinc sources every few weeks helps avoid micronutrient imbalances. Try alternating with chickpeas for plant-based zinc and fiber, oysters, the highest natural source of zinc, hemp seeds, also rich in magnesium and essential fatty acids. Remember, collagen isn't just about what you see in the mirror. It's how you move, how you feel, and how your body bounces back. Pumpkin seeds are more than a snack. They're a biochemical signal to rebuild, to calm inflammation, and to age on your own terms. And the best part? This upgrade costs pennies a day. Number 2, flax seeds. When it comes to graceful aging, especially for women navigating perimenopause or postmenopause, hormone balance becomes a key pillar of collagen preservation. And few foods support that balance more effectively, gently, and affordably than flax seeds. At first glance, flax seeds may seem unremarkable, small, brown, or golden, with a slightly nutty flavor. But beneath that humble shell lies a powerhouse of nutrients that support hormonal harmony and skin elasticity at the cellular level. Flax seeds are the richest known dietary source of lignans, specifically secosaursaresinol diglucoside, STG, a plant compound that the body, via gut microbes, converts into interlactone, a mild phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogens are naturally occurring plant molecules that mimic estrogen in the body, but in a modulating, not overwhelming way. Instead of flooding the system like hormone replacement therapy, lignans help regulate estrogen activity by binding to estrogen receptors, gently supporting balance whether levels are too high or too low. This is crucial during hormonal shifts. When estrogen drops, particularly during menopause, collagen synthesis slows dramatically. Skin becomes thinner, drier, and less elastic. But lignans can help buffer that decline by restoring estrogenic signaling, improving moisture retention, and preserving fibroblast activity. In addition to lignans, flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. While the body converts ALA into EPA and DHA at a limited rate, ALA itself is still a potent anti-inflammatory. Since chronic, low-grade inflammation is a key driver of collagen breakdown, especially in the skin, the omega-3s in flax seeds help protect collagen integrity and reduce signs of inflammatory aging like redness, sensitivity, and accelerated wrinkle formation. How to use: dosage: 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground flaxseed per day. Why ground? Whole flax seeds pass through the digestive tract, largely intact. Grinding releases the lignans and omega-3s for absorption. Pair with kefir, Greek yogurt, smoothies, or sprinkle over oatmeal. Storage tip: keep ground flaxseed in the fridge or freezer to prevent oxidation. In just a teaspoon or 2 a day, you're giving your body a hormone ally, a skin hydrator, and an inflammation fighter, all rolled into one. And you're doing it not with pills or prescriptions, but with plants. Number 3, sesame seeds. Not all anti-aging tools come in expensive bottles or clinical procedures. Sometimes they come in the form of tiny, nutty seeds that have quietly supported hormonal health for centuries. Sesame seeds, in particular, stand out as an overlooked collagen ally, especially for women navigating the hormonal roller coaster of midlife. Collagen isn't just a structural protein, it's a hormone-sensitive system. One of estrogen's key roles is to stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing new collagen. It also increases skin thickness, enhances moisture retention, and helps maintain the skin's natural barrier. But during perimenopause and menopause, estrogen levels drop dramatically. The result? A sharp decline in collagen. In fact, studies show that up to 30% of skin collagen is lost within the first 5 years after menopause. That's not just a cosmetic issue. It affects skin integrity, hydration, and wound healing. Sesame seeds are rich in lignans, particularly sesamin and sesamol, compounds that act as phytoestrogens. These plant-derived molecules can bind to estrogen receptors in the body and gently mimic estrogen's effects. Unlike synthetic hormones, lignans offer a modulating effect. They support balance without pushing levels too high. This is what makes sesame seeds so valuable for postmenopausal women. They restore estrogen-like signaling, helping the skin retain moisture, preserve thickness, and maintain its collagen network, all without the risks associated with hormone replacement therapy. Beyond their hormonal benefits, sesame seeds are loaded with vitamin E, selenium, and copper, all essential antioxidants that neutralize oxidative stress, a key driver of collagen breakdown, support enzymatic reactions involved in collagen cross-linking, improve skin texture, tone, and hydration retention. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology found that postmenopausal women who consumed sesame seed powder daily for 5 weeks saw significant improvements in skin hydration, antioxidant levels, and overall suppleness. How to use? Dosage: 1 tablespoon per day of raw or lightly toasted sesame seeds. How to eat? Sprinkle on salads, mix into smoothies, or blend into tahini for dressings. Enhance absorption. Pair with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, or kale. These support liver detox pathways that process estrogen and help avoid hormonal buildup. Rotation tip: alternate every few weeks with flax seeds to diversify lignin intake and support broader hormonal coverage. You might wonder, do men benefit from sesame seeds too? Absolutely. While men don't go through menopause, the phytoestrogens in sesame seeds have been shown to support vascular health, improve skin hydration, help regulate cholesterol levels. Importantly, moderate intake of lignin-rich foods does not disrupt testosterone in men. Instead, it contributes to a more balanced inflammatory profile and improved skin structure. Sesame seeds aren't flashy, but their impact is profound. Think of them not as garnish, but as cellular nourishment, working silently to stabilize hormones, fortify skin, and regenerate resilience from within. Number 4, chia seeds. Tiny but mighty chia seeds are among the most concentrated nutritional tools you can add to your anti-aging arsenal, especially when it comes to collagen, gut health, and hydration. At the heart of their power is their soluble fiber content. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like texture due to mucilage, a type of fiber that feeds gut bacteria. This is more than just digestion. It's the foundation of the gut collagen axis. Your gut microbiome plays a direct role in collagen production. When healthy bacteria ferment soluble fiber, they create short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, specifically butyrate, propionate, and acetate. These SCFAs support mitochondrial function in fibroblasts, collagen-producing cells, reduce systemic inflammation, a key factor in collagen breakdown, help maintain a healthy gut lining, reducing permeability, aka leaky gut, that can inflame skin tissues. Chia seeds are one of the most efficient fuel sources for these SCFA-producing microbes, making them a bridge between gut ecology and glowing skin. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water. This makes them not only a digestive aid, but a hydration ally. When hydrated, they form a hydration matrix that releases moisture more slowly through the digestive tract, improving electrolyte absorption and water retention, both crucial for maintaining skin plumpness and elasticity as we age. Beyond fiber, chia seeds deliver omega-3 ELA, combats skin inflammation. Calcium supports skin cell turnover. Antioxidants preserve the collagen matrix from oxidative damage. How to use? Dosage: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds soaked overnight in water, at least 8 ounces. Add-ins: lemon juice enhances mineral absorption and digestion. Best timing: take first thing in the morning before breakfast. Think of it as a gut primer, a signal to your microbiome that you're investing in its health before the day begins. Chia seeds are more than trendy. They're deeply functional. 1 spoonful sets in motion a cascade of microbial, hormonal, and collagen-enhancing benefits, all before your first cup of coffee. Number 5. Walnut. When it comes to defending your skin's collagen and rebuilding your connective tissue, walnuts offer a uniquely powerful nutritional profile. They deliver 3 major biological benefits: anti-inflammation, fibroblast protection, and sleep-enhanced collagen repair. Walnuts are the highest plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a form of omega-3. Though not as potent as fish-based EPA/DHA, ALA still reduces inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha, both of which upregulate MMPs, matrix metalloproteinases, the enzymes that break down collagen and elastin. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that daily walnut intake reduced systemic inflammation and oxidative stress in older adults. Since inflammation is one of the main triggers for collagen degradation, this makes walnuts an indirect but powerful protector of skin structure. Walnuts also contain ellagic acid, a polyphenol that protects fibroblasts, the cells that actually synthesize collagen. Oxidative stress weakens fibroblast activity, but ellagic acid scavenges damaging free radicals and creates a more stable environment for these cells to function. Diets rich in polyphenol have been shown to improve dermal thickness, elasticity, and skin repair capacity, especially in middle-aged individuals. Few people know that walnuts naturally contain melatonin. This hormone doesn't just help you sleep. It supports deep sleep, the time when growth hormone, GH, peaks, stimulating tissue regeneration and collagen production. Sleep disturbances or chronic cortisol elevation can block GH release and MMP suppression. Adding walnuts to your evening routine supports melatonin levels and encourages the internal conditions needed for nighttime collagen synthesis. How to use walnuts for skin regeneration. Dosage: 1 ounce daily, almost equals 14 walnut halves. Best time: late afternoon or 1 to 2 hours before dinner. Pair with vitamin C-rich food, berries, or bell peppers to support collagen cross-linking. Avoid combining with high-sugar foods, which cause glycation, a process that stiffens collagen and accelerates aging. Collagen isn't just a beauty molecule. It's how you move without pain, heal without delay, and think with clarity as you age. It holds your body together literally and metabolically. And while creams and serums have their place, real collagen resilience starts at the cellular level, through what you eat, how you sleep, and how you care for stress. The 5 seeds and nuts we've explored aren't trends. They're biochemical levers, tools your body recognizes, metabolizes, and uses to rebuild itself. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. A handful of walnuts, a tablespoon of chia, a seed-soaked ritual that says, "Today I chose repair." Start with 1 change. Build the rhythm. Let collagen renewal be a side effect of how you live, not what you chase. Because you're not reversing time. You're working with it.